We wanted to convey our perspective through a restaurant because we both came to New York and found a home in New York and feel like we both kind of own New York, this environment.
You know, like a place like that, it will convey all these characteristics. But also it's like our personality also has to convey through the food and the flavors.
I am a big proponent that the beverage program has to support the food first. I mean, I think we both like wines, cocktails, distilled spirits that are quiet. They're not this loud, hit you over the head. You actually have to search for like a subtlety in things. Ignacio's rather genius perspective on presenting something in a way that you wouldn't have anticipated.
That's what we capture. I mean, like the food is pretty straightforward and comforting, but yet surprising and unassuming, being extremely subtle, yet complex. You know, there's a bunch of dishes that they were here from day one, and pure fluke with sugar and salt, uni and yuzu koshu, olive oil. Sea urchin, if the quality is not there, it's nowhere to hide, it's nowhere to run.
Each menu item is like a Goldilocks dish. Everything is in such balance. It's very hard for cooks to reproduce this because if something is a little off, just like in the laws of physics, if something is a little off, everything goes out of whack.
It's all these elements just coming together, and that's pretty much with everything we do. You know what I mean? We just try to push it a little bit to the edge, and that goes to the food. But it's like it's just borderline. It's simple, but it's still like a big presence. But we are constantly pursuing, constantly tasting, and like messing around with new ingredients and like dishes and ideas. And
we started to realize that we want the same thing. You know, we wanted to convey our perspective.